Hi, everybody. I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You know, when COVID hit, I got really concerned because there are all kinds of things that I wanted to do artistically this summer with everybody, and we just didn't get a chance because we couldn't be face to face. But one of the things that I came up with was this very simple drawing class, and it kind of mixes Pictionary, which is a game where you take shapes and you try to draw them and try to figure out what somebody's drawing faster than the other team. So it's mixing regular, normal shapes like circles and squares and triangles and rainbows and things like that, and turning them into animals and things and creatures. And so I've got a brand new series for you. I call it Drawing with Sophie, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Now, unlike my normal videos that go step by step by step by step by step, this is going to be one of those ones where you can stop and pause whenever you feel like it. So I'm just going to go straight on through, and you feel empowered to stop whenever you need more time, or back up, or move forward, whichever works best for you. So let's get started. For this drawing, you will need a pencil with an eraser, a white piece of paper, and markers, crayons, or colored pencils. First thing you want to draw is a circle. And once you have the circle, at the midpoint of your circle, just draw like a little line across so you know where the middle of your circle is. And then I want you to draw an oval. Kind of looks like a fried egg. There you go. Now, from the outside of your oval to about maybe a half an inch up on that circle, just draw a line straight on over, and do the same thing on the other side. A nice straight line. Now you can erase any little bit extra that's there. And now from the edge of each of these lines, draw a little swoop from one side to the other, kind of like a little smiley face. Now, if any time you need to stop and pause, that's completely fine. Now, from this point and this point, draw another little swoop, smiley face. And now come back and erase the bottom of that circle and the top of that oval there, because you don't need those anymore. So just erase those with your eraser. And inside that circle, you can erase that little line as well. Now, this is going to be the bottom of your spaceship, so you can do little lights, little tiny circle lights. And if you want to, draw some little lines just coming from the top and going to the outer edge there. And of course, you've got to put a little alien here. So draw a little circle or oval and put your little alien in there. And if you want to, you can put a little beacon on the top by just doing a little line with a little tiny circle on the top. Now I'm going to use my pen to come around and trace everything and color it in. Okay, so there you go. You can see that I have colored in my alien spaceship. And you know, I can do something kind of funny if I want to. I can do like a little tractor beam coming down. Just draw two lines on either side. And then let's put a little cow So I'm going to put a little cow right here. Boop, boop. Being sucked up by the tractor beam. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. And I can just put my tractor beam like that. So there you go. I don't know about you, but I just always love the fact that you put together a couple different shapes and a couple different lines, and all of a sudden you have something unique and creative. I hope you like these drawing classes as much as I do. I really, really love them. And I will keep bringing them to you, I promise. For more fun stuff, make sure to check out sophie-world.com. And in the meantime, stay creative and curious.